Is your LinkedIn content lacking impact, causing frustration and difficulties in engaging your network? Here's how PromptsPro ChatGPT prompts can turbocharge your LinkedIn game by providing you with the following assistance. Develop a LinkedIn strategy. Curate LinkedIn content and create compelling text. Engage authentically with followers on LinkedIn. Set up a LinkedIn advertising campaign. Optimize your LinkedIn advertising campaign. Run exciting contests and giveaways on LinkedIn. Evaluate your performance on LinkedIn. Enhance company branding on LinkedIn. Forecast LinkedIn trends to stay ahead. 3 easy steps to use PromptsPro. 1. Select the prompt. 2. Copy and paste it in ChatGPT. 3. Get the most advanced results. Join thousands of successful LinkedIn users who've harnessed the power of the best LinkedIn prompts bundle. Don't just take our word for it, take action today. Try PromptsPro and watch your LinkedIn struggles disappear.